Hi guys, I'm John Costello with Untitled Chapter Kia on the Hogan Road in Bangor, Maine. Today we're going to talk about the auto hold feature, which is an available option in the 19 Kia Sorentos. So we have down here, if they're equipped, it'll have this button right here, that's the auto hold. All you have to do is click it and it'll pop up on the dash, auto hold in gray. What that means is it's on and can be activated. So all you have to do is when the vehicle's in gear, so the vehicle's in drive, as you can see, the auto hold turned to green. So if I were to let my foot off the brake, which I'm going to do right now, the vehicle is holding position where we are. And to get off of auto hold, you simply just press on the gas pedal, the vehicle will start rolling, then again we'll re-engage, put your foot on the brake, and it'll turn green again. So now the vehicle is going to hold itself without my foot on the brake. This feature only works when you're in drive. So if I were to put it in reverse, as you can see, the auto hold is not turning green. It's only a forward moving feature, great for if you're in a place where you're not comfortable, you're on the interstate, a lot of stop and go traffic, potentially have any kids or anyone distracting with you. It'll help keep the vehicle parked so you don't roll and potentially cause an accident on the interstate. Thank you so much guys. John Costello at Untitled Kia in the Hogan Road in Bangor. Have a great day.